Hello guys, magandang gabi. I just want to re-echo the post of Attorney Lenny Robredo regarding wrongful information posted by the city government of Naga. And to quote, I shared this earlier because this does not reflect correct data. I need to call the attention of the city government of this irresponsible post. We are able to do our relief operations because of the generosity of our private partners and the selflessness of our thousands of volunteers. Sa Naga lang ng sa Naga lang po, nag-average kita nin 1 to volunteers every day. We have been doing relief operations since day 1, and to claim that we only released 200 packs in Naga will make a mockery of the sacrifices of everyone who has been helping us. Testigo po ang gabos na barangay na pag nagtatao kami, mayong fanfare, mayong program, mayong tararaman. Kung mapost ito na gamit ang angat buhay, siguraduhin lang na tamang informasyon. Marinig na pangaran lang na kapital mi, kaya pakibaglaban niyan. So, ito po yung tungkol sa maling post, at ito nagpasend po ng summary report as of October 28, 2024. Medyo hindi ko na na-capture yung dahil screenshot na po. So, you may check this to Attorney Lenny's Facebook page para po maliwanagan. Again, nire-echo ko po ito dahil unfair po sa mga private individuals, private companies or individual na taos-pusong nagbigay tulong para sa mga apektado ng Bagyong Karina. At nais lang din nating tulungan si Attorney Lenny na para mapaabot, maparating at mapakorek ang maling impormasyon na nilabas ng Naga City Government. Yun lang po.